Hey, welcome to your favorite Spanish course. So let's go to the class. We have three verbs here. We have to speak, which is hablar. Repeat it. Hablar. Okay, hablar. Very good. We have to work. Trabajar. Repeat it. Trabajar. Repeat it. And then we have to study. Estudiar. Estudiar. Repeat it. Cool, thanks. Okay, once again, we have to speak. Hablar. Repeat it. Hablar. Okay, we have to work. Trabajar. Repeat it. Trabajar. Cool. We have estudiar. Estudiar, which is study. Okay, look at the letters in red. Okay, this is important if you want to learn how to conjugate verbs. Okay, we have again trabajar, infinitive. Trabajar. If you want to say I work in Spanish, we say yo trabajo. Yo trabajo. Can you repeat? Yo trabajo. Okay, cool. Again, yo trabajo. Yes, very good. Now we have to speak, infinitive, hablar. If you want to say I speak, in Spanish we say yo hablo. Yo hablo. Can you repeat? Yo hablo. Okay, very good. Remember to look at the letters in red. Okay, very good. Now we have the verb to study. Okay, which is estudiar. Okay, if you want to say I study Spanish, in Spanish is yo estudio. Yo estudio español. Repeat it. Yo estudio español. Yes, very good. Now I have a question for you, okay? You need to try to speak and please don't stop the video. Don't stop it. So the question for you is, how do we say in Spanish, I study Spanish? How do we say that in Spanish? Yes, very good. Good for you. Yo estudio español. Yo estudio español. How do we say I speak? Yes, very good. Yo hablo. Yo hablo. Can you repeat again? Yo hablo. Yes, very good. How do we say in Spanish? I work. Excelente, muy bien. Yo trabajo. Yo trabajo. Very good. We have a different verb here. To cook. Infinitive, cocinar. And again, we have these letters, right? So, I cook. Yo cocino. Yo cocino. Can you repeat again? Yo cocino. Yes, very good. So now tell me, how do we say in Spanish? I cook pizza. How do we say that in Spanish? Yo cocino pizza. Yo cocino pizza. Can you repeat again? Yo cocino pizza. Yes, very good. Spanish, remember, is español. Español. So how do we say I speak Spanish in Spanish? Yo hablo español. Yo hablo español. In Mexico we say en México. En México. Can you repeat en México? Yes, very good. Remember, don't stop the video. Just try to speak when you listen a question. Okay, so how do we say in Spanish? I work in Mexico. How do we say that in Spanish? Yes, very good. Yo trabajo en México. Yo trabajo en México. Can you repeat that again? Yo trabajo en México. Yes, very good. Okay, now tell me, how do we say in Spanish, I cook pizza? Yo cocino pizza. Yo cocino pizza. Now tell me, how do we say, I study Spanish? Okay, very good. Yo estudio español. Yo estudio español. Okay, very good. Now we have an exam. How do we say, I speak? Tell me, how do we say that? I speak. Yo hablo. Yo hablo. How do we say, I study Spanish? Yes, very good. Yo estudio español. Yo estudio español. How do we say, I cook pizza? Yes, very good. Yo cocino pizza. Yo cocino pizza. How do we say, I work in Mexico? Okay. Yes, very good. Yo trabajo en México. Okay, remember we use present simple to describe routines or to describe like usual things. Okay, so again, I work in Mexican Spanish. Again, tell me. Yo trabajo en México. Okay, cool. We are about to finish. Okay, we have bonus here. So, to dance. Okay, now tell me fast. How do we say I dance? I dance. Yo bailo. Yo bailo. So now tell me, how do we say I dance salsa?